Hello guys, we are making water leaf soup today. What do you think is best to cook this water leaf?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yes.
Chicken.
Only chicken.
I like fish. Fresh
Chick-
fish. If
chicken.
you use fresh fish and cook this water leaf, oh my goodness.
Chicken and
You're going
fish.
to bite your finger.
Chicken and fish.
Fish, I'm going to use fish to cook this. I'll be using fish.
And chicken.
Oh,
I'll be using fish to cook this water leaf.
I'll clean that.
Yeah, I'll be eating some of the fish.
It's been long though. It's been long I ate this water leaf. It's been long.
But when did you eat
for
this?
Hours.
You know, I like it with I like to cook it with vegetable. That's fruited pumpkin leaf. You know what is fruited pumpkin leaf?
No?
It's green too.
Ah, I thought it would be like a different color.
Fruited pumpkin leaf. If you use it and cook this water leaf, my goodness. You're going
What?
to-
Fruited
And
pumpkin.
with fish,
What?
you're going to bite your finger.
You are so nosy.
What did I hear? Pumpkin?
Mama.
Fruited pumpkin leaf. It's a vegetable.
Okay, but cat.
It looks like
to me.
It's green. Which I don't understand really.
Why? It's a leaf for a reason. Why would it be green?
Like I thought it would be something like a different color kind of.
I can understand if it was light green. How much do we do? Wow. Because I felt like we were sitting here for hours and we were doing.
No, this is a lot of hard work to do this. You know, to cook vegetable soup in terms of preparing it, it takes a lot of hard work to prepare.
And
But when you're cooking it,
Bruh, my legs
within 5 to 10 minutes, you're done.
bruh, my legs are literally still hurting.
The difficult part is when you're preparing this leaf.
Like there's like a billion of them.
Alright guys, I will give you an update. After I'm done, I'll give you updates for the cooking. Bye.